Angles, vertically opposite angles. Look at the angles formed when two lines intersect each other. Four angles are formed at the point of intersection. Point of intersection M is the common vertex of the four angles. Label the angles as angle W, angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. Angle W and angle Y are vertically opposite angles. Angle Z and angle X are vertically opposite angles. Which angles are in a linear pair? Angle W and angle Z are adjacent angles. Angle W and angle Z are in a linear pair. Measure of angle W plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. So we know that angle W plus angle Z is 180 degrees. Let us call this equation 1. Angle Y and angle Z are in a linear pair too. So angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degrees. Let us call this equation 2. In both equation 1 and equation 2, you can see angle Z. Now let's look at equation 1 again. What is angle Z? Angle Z is 180 minus angle W. Let us call this equation 3. Now, let's look at equation 2 again. What is angle Z? Angle Z is 180 degrees minus angle Y. Let us call this equation 4. So, equation 3 and equation 4 both tell us what angle Z is. But angle Z is the same angle Z. So, both these things are equal as they are talking about the exact same angle Z. Let's just write the two equations that talk about angle Z now and erase the rest. Since both these equations are talking about angle Z, let's consider them equal. That means 180 degrees minus angle W is equal to 180 degrees minus angle Y. That also means that angle W is equal to angle Y. Now look at the figure and see where angle W and angle Y are. This is angle W and this is angle Y. These are opposite angles. So, the opposite angles, angle W and angle Y, are equal. Vertically opposite angles, angle W and angle Y, are equal. In the same way, vertically opposite angles, angle Z and angle X, are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. If measure of angle W is equal to 60 degrees, find measures of other angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So, measure of angle W is equal to measure of angle Y is equal to 60 degrees. Angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. So, measure of angle W plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 60 degrees plus measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle Z is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Measure of angle Z is equal to measure of angle X. Measure of angle X is equal to 120 degrees. So, these are the measures of the angles. Measure of angle Z is equal to measure of angle X is equal to 120 degrees. Measure of angle Y is equal to measure of angle W is equal to 60 degrees. Look at this figure and mark the remaining angles. Angle AMS is vertically opposite to angle RMB. Therefore, measure of angle RMB is equal to measure of angle AMS is equal to 55 degrees. Angle AMR and angle RMB are in a linear pair. So, measure of angle AMR plus measure of angle RMB is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle AMR plus 55 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, measure of angle AMR is equal to 180 degrees minus 55 degrees is equal to 125 degrees. Angle AMR and angle SMB are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, measure of angle AMR is equal to measure of angle SMB is equal to 125 degrees. Thus, we have the measures of all the angles. Measure of angle AMR is equal to measure of angle SMB is equal to 125 degrees. Measure of angle AMS is equal to measure of angle RMB is equal to 55 degrees. Did you understand vertically opposite angles? Yes.